Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Robinhood. First, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store and begin the account creation process. You will need to provide some personal information and link a bank account for funding. Ensure you complete the identity verification steps, which are crucial for security and regulatory compliance. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to invest in just a few minutes. Once your account is set up, deposit funds from your linked bank account. Robinhood often provides instant access to a portion of your deposit, allowing you to start trading immediately. Next, use the search bar at the top of the app to find the specific stock you want to buy. You can search by company name or its ticker symbol. Take some time to explore different investment categories and see what's trending. After finding a stock, tap on it to view its detailed page, which includes current price, historical charts, and company news. When you're ready to buy, tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase or a specific dollar amount you want to invest. Review your order carefully before submitting it. After placing your order, you can monitor your investments directly from your Robinhood portfolio. Here, you'll see your overall performance, as well as the individual gains or losses of each stock. Consider setting up price alerts for your holdings to receive notifications about significant market movements. This helps you stay informed without constantly checking the app. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.